Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to Prime Trends USA. Today, we are diving into a life-changing message. God is the supreme authority in your life. This powerful truth reminds us that no matter how uncertain life feels, God holds everything in His hands. If you've ever felt lost, overwhelmed, or uncertain about your future, this message is for you. Stay with us for the next few minutes as we uncover what it means to live under God's supreme authority and how it can transform your life. The meaning of God's supreme authority. What does it mean to say God is the supreme authority? It means that He is the creator of everything, the heavens, the earth, and everything in between. As it says in Psalm 24, verse 1, "The earth is the Lord's, and everything in it, the world, and all who live in it." God's authority is not just about power, it's about love, wisdom, and justice. He governs the universe with perfect balance and extends His guidance to each of us individually. His authority means that He has the final say over our lives. No human, no situation, and no force of nature is above Him. Why we should trust God's authority. In life, we often try to take control. We make plans, set goals, and hope everything works out. But what happens when our plans fail? What happens when life takes unexpected turns? It's in these moments that we must remember, God is in control. Proverbs 3:5-6 tells us, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight." When we acknowledge God's supreme authority, we release the burden of trying to control everything ourselves. He knows what's best for us. Think of a GPS system. You may not see the whole journey, but you trust the GPS to guide you to your destination. In the same way, trusting God's authority allows us to walk by faith and not by sight. How to live under God's authority. Living under God's authority is not about being passive. It's about active surrender. Here are 3 simple ways to align yourself with God's supreme authority. 1. Prayer. Talk to God daily. Share your fears, hopes, and plans. Ask Him to guide your steps and align your will with His. 2. Study His Word. The Bible is our manual for life. It reveals God's character and His promises. Psalm 119:105 says, "Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path." 3. Obedience. When God speaks, whether through His word, prayer, or life circumstances, be ready to follow. Trust that His ways are higher than ours. By doing these things, you will not only acknowledge God's authority, but also experience His peace and purpose in your life. As we close, remember this. God's supreme authority is not something to fear, it's something to celebrate. He is a loving Father who wants the best for you. When you place your life under His authority, you'll find freedom, peace, and direction. If this message has blessed you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs encouragement, and subscribe to Prime Trends USA for more inspiring content. Let us know in the comments how you're trusting God in your life today. Thank you for spending this time with us. Remember, God loves you, and He is the supreme authority in your life. Until next time, stay blessed.